Good morning. Testing. Testing 1, 2. Are we live? Is this thing turned on? I believe it's turned on. Let's go. All right. All right. Happy Wednesday morning. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Timbo, good morning. Fred Yeager, good morning. Jim in the web. Best guest trading, Jake Dell. Touchdown, good morning. Jack Wiley, R5 Studios. Yes, happy hump day, everybody. Happy hump day. All right, let's go. All right, let's do this. Took a pre-market trade. I don't know. Obviously, it didn't. We got stopped out on it, unfortunately. I don't know. It was a good trade. It was a good setup. It was right here. I had a nice move right off of this 5-minute 21 EMA. And my first target was like right here at the 290s. And we just never got there, unfortunately. So we are starting out a little bit in the red. Nothing much to see here. It's just a flesh wound. Hey, Frank Mortimer. Good morning, Tanush. Mad Cow. Good morning, Mad Cow. I am moving. I am packing the trailer tonight. I am heading to Florida tomorrow. I'll be in Florida Friday sometime, Lord willing, and hopefully streaming from Florida on Monday. Hopefully better internet. Amen, John. Amen. Yesterday was very weird. I've never had my computer freeze up like that. I don't know what was the deal, but I sure hope it doesn't do it again. I hope it doesn't do it again. What part? It's in Sarasota, Florida. Hey, thank you, John. Thank you. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee. Yeah, we took an L. First trade this morning, took an L pre-market. I mean, I was very on the fence about taking the trade right here, but I mean, the trade setup was perfect and just couldn't help I decided, you know what? It's a good trade. I'm going to take it. I'm fine with it. Oh, really, Mad Cow? Are you saying that you live close to Sarasota? Did I get the Topstep payout? Oh, yeah, about that. Here, let me show you. Update on my Topstep accounts. So here's my Topstep. Which I already locked in $1,200 gain for today. I'm locked out for the day on these accounts. Actually, I need to show you the tops. Okay, here. This shows, so we have it locked in. Let me show you the actual payout here. Hang on. So this is right now what it says. Like, it's kind of weird. But yes, we did submit a $4,400 payout on 5 accounts. So 4,400 minus 10% is 3,960. So we've got 3,960 times 5, whatever that is. Payout is, this one is a finalized and approved. This one right here, but for some reason, these 4 still show pending. I don't know what that's about. What is 3,960 times 5? Let's see. $19,800 coming my way. That's great news, folks. That is great news. that basically really helps our expenses, covers our expenses for the month of October. And hopefully, I mean, I'm going to try to I'm going to keep trading gold. I'm going to keep trading gold on those Topstep accounts, and hopefully we can get another payout. I mean, I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to take as much payout as I can from them. I don't like I'm not a big fan of Topstep, but I'll take as much money as I can. But yes, good news. Good. Hey, how we doing, JMU? Good to see you. Oh, you're in St. Pete? Awesome, Mad Cow. Awesome. It's hard to mow stripes on Bermuda grass. It is. It is nomadic trades. It is, but maybe. Testing. Okay, we're back. Oh man, I thought I was having issues again, but I think we're good. All right, I think we're good. Oh yeah, St. Augustine grass, and it stripes hard. It is. Yeah, Mick. Hey, good morning, Cly. Good morning, and Aneljo. It's from Topstep. Jim O, good morning. Red, good morning. Jim in the web, good morning. Niles, good morning. Nomadic Trades, how we doing? Murugan, Murugan. But by the way, that Topstep payout, I had to work for it. Let me show you. I actually had my first, little bit of a reality check. I had a little bit of my first really bad trade on gold yesterday. So yesterday I just basically needed $150. You know, that's all I needed. How hard can it be, right? I needed $150, and I'm like, okay, that can't be that hard. And for some reason, when you only need like just a little bit of profit, all of a sudden you don't really worry about your setups. You just think you can randomly take a trade, and then the mark, then you'll be able to get your profit. And at least that was my mentality. It was very dumb. And I go in on a trade. I forget, actually, trying to remember, where did I take the trade? It was yesterday. So it was yesterday, but it was in the beginning session. Okay, so right here, I got, yeah, right here. Okay, so last night, not last night, but the night before, we opened up, we had a big move lower, and then right here on this move lower, I went long right here off of, like, I didn't really follow my strategy. I went long right here, and we just kept selling off. I finally took a $2,000 loss right here. Finally just had to accept the loss. So I was down 2,400 starting those Topstep accounts. It was not a pretty sight. It took me 50. I was down 2,400 and I grinded yesterday, grinded my way back and ended up making $161. Thankfully, on this move higher, when we started grinding higher here, majority of my profits were made right here. And I just kind of took $200-300 at a time. And finally, I think it was like 3 o'clock in the afternoon when I finally secured the payout. So we definitely had to work for it that last day. It's never easy. It seems like it's never easy, but now I'm going to focus on trying to get $1,200 days on those Topstep accounts. And then I'm just going to, I'm going to try to take as many payouts as I possibly can. Yeah, Fred Yeager. I knew I was kind of playing with fire when I kept trading because it is that can end usually that only ends one of two ways. So it is a little bit, it's not always a good idea. All right, let's go back and watch NQ here. NQ pulling back again. I don't know what to expect today. We've got FOMC minutes at 2 o'clock. I'm not sure yet how long I can trade today. Tomorrow, I thought I was going to be able to trade tomorrow or stream tomorrow, but I don't think I can. We're actually going to be going tonight. I was going to plan to do all the packing, load up the trailer and truck tonight, but we're having a family get together that I want to be a part of. So I'm going to probably I'm going to wait. I'm going to have to do that tomorrow morning. And today, this afternoon, I have to mow the lawn one final time. So I got a lot of stuff I need to do, but I'm really hoping I get a really solid trade this morning. But got to be careful not to force anything. I just want a really good setup, and I want a nice, like a 40-point trade. That's all I'm asking. That's not asking too much, is it? But if we do take a loss, I will walk away. Basically one more loss today, and we'll just have to call it. We're a little bit on a losing streak right now with this strategy. Not terrible, but it started out really well, and now we're reversing back to the mean. It's not FOMC minutes, it's decision. Yes, sorry, did I say minutes? Yeah, sorry, John. Yeah, it's the actual FOMC meeting. It's the actual. This is going to move the market. Today at 2 o'clock. I mean, I expect 500-point moves. I expect huge moves. Probably going to happen when they start talking. So be careful today. That's why I locked myself out of my Topstep accounts already, because I know I was so tempted to not lock out and try to make like 10-15,000 on those Topstep accounts, but then I thought, no, let's be smart. Let's just, for once in our life, we'll be smart. Instead of being an idiot, we'll be smart. But I'm excited, man. I'm getting very excited for our moving to Florida, the new house. We finally get to actually live in the house we bought like 4 months ago. 3 months ago. 3 months ago, we haven't even been able to be in it. Last couple of days, we have spent so much time buying furniture, scheduling deliveries. Dude, it is going to be insane. It is insane. It is going to be insane. How many boxes, how much stuff is coming to our home in Florida to get, like, it's, I mean, it's, we literally need to buy everything. Everything. Washer and dryer, the fridge is coming on Friday. Then we've got dining room set and the couch, bedroom furniture. It is going to be so chaotic. Those first couple weeks are going to be very chaotic. Number one priority, though, when I get to Florida, the number one priority is my office. We're going to work really hard. I'm going to work really hard Friday, Saturday to get my office set up so that I'm ready for stream Monday morning. That's going to be priority number one. And then we'll stream in the morning, stream till noon. And then we'll be putting furniture together in the afternoon. Hey, Max 90, good morning. Objectives are bad. You'd only work with what the market gives you. I know that. I'm just saying that's what I want. Up $11 on my 3 new funded. Let's go, Orlando. Hey, that's better than blowing them. Yes, today's a sunny day in Northeast Ohio. I'm glad because I need to mow the lawn today. I was afraid it might rain. Oh, man. Oh, by the way, guys, we passed the funded next accounts. We passed the funded next accounts the first try. We got 650K accounts and passed them first shot. I love when that happens. I love when I pass evals on the first try. Makes me very happy. So we'll be activating those funded next accounts tonight. And unless my plan is I'm going to trade those 6 funded next accounts on gold. Only those 6 accounts. I mean, I have kind of started to really like trading gold. Like I'm not sure if it's good or bad, but oh man, I like it. It is a different animal, but yeah, it's nice. What is my strategy for the gold? Honestly, so I definitely need to do better with like my strategy. But I'm basically trying to do the same thing on gold that I'm doing on NQ. Like right here. So gold, like right here, perfect example of just, I didn't take any, I took 2 of these trades. That is how I secured $1,200 last night. And I could have, I mean, obviously hindsight's 2020, but after the fact, I'm like, man, I wish I wouldn't have locked out because there were so many good trades. Actually, no, it was this trade here. These trades right here, I took a long, but basically I'm just looking for, once we start moving and have a nice trend on the 2-minute, we have to be above the VWAP, a pull back to the 21 EMA on the 2-minute, and then I go long on the break of the previous candle. I think my long here was like right here, and I take profit at the previous high on the first, and I just try to get a runner. But honestly, if I would have been a little more aggressive last night, I could have easily made 5,000 per account on those Topstep accounts. But after what happened the day before, I locked out probably way too early, but it is what it is. You can never go wrong with locking out, I guess, but I don't know. Is that how I passed them? Yes, Carolina. Yes, I did. These Topstep accounts, the Topstep accounts that I just got a payout from, by the way, those Topstep accounts are from the free resets that I just got when they had those Topstep X issues. I wasn't even trading that day, but I mean, I got 5 free resets and I used them. Obviously, I had to activate the accounts, but I passed them with gold. Oh, really, Sacred? Oh, man. Mine was working. I think it's just rhythmic. Maybe that's down because mine is working. All right, market. Let's look at, I need to pay attention, make sure I'm looking at the NQ chart. I feel like I'm starting to cheat. I'm starting to cheat on NQ. So NQ might be a little temperamental if we keep trading NQ. I think NQ knows that NQ is getting cheated on, and might be the reason why it's being a little, might I don't know. We're gonna have to be careful about how we look at NQ, because NQ might take offense to us trading gold. It might look at it like we're cheating, but I'm saying let's work together, NQ. It's not cheating. I'm just looking, okay? It's fine. I promise. I promise it's fine. Your NQ is still my first love. All right, market, trying to rip back up. Let's see if we breach the 300s. I mean, it is insane, though. If we want to just take a minute and observe here, can we just take a minute here and look at how insane this is? Like, look at this chart. I need to delete this. All these levels, delete. We're never coming back down here ever again. But look at this. Like, this is not reasonable price action right here. It is actually insane. NQ, it has no problem sticking into. Yeah, that's true, John. That's true. Maybe I need to be a little more aggressive on my relationship with NQ. I like that. NQ, if you don't get your act together, I'll officially just leave them in the dirt, and we'll just trade gold from now on. But yeah, look, like this market, this is insane. It is almost like, you know what I wonder? And I don't know that this does any, I don't know if this is any benefit to even have a discussion like this, but it makes me wonder if we didn't have this Friday, the tariff news, if we didn't have this on this day, it actually makes me wonder if we would be as high as we are now. Because some of these moves and these news events, it's almost like it's a slingshot effect. It's like a pullback and then it shoots higher. And it gets more momentum that way than when we just kind of slowly grind higher on the daily chart. But I mean, look at this massive gap here from, it is hard to believe that we won't come back down here and fill the gap on the 25,500s. And honestly, with FOMC today, it is on the table. We could see the gap get filled at the 25,500s. We could. I have no idea if we will or not. I don't know if I want to even go that far, but it's possible. It's like an abusive relationship. It is, John. NQ is very abusive, and you will just learn to like it, and you just take those shots to the chin like a champ, and you just accept it. That's where we're at. All right. We are not doing much here. Pulling back again. I see 2 measured moves and gap filled to the pivot. Yeah, Jim in the web. I mean, it's crazy that if we don't fill that gap, man, that's wild. But it's possible. It is definitely doable. All right, market. I want to see us get above the 300s. Then we need to wait for our pullback, and that's where we will get an entry on the longs. Now, we can get a short setup today. All we need is just to move, a clear move below the VWAP, and then a pullback. We definitely can get a short trade today. It is definitely possible. Whoa, that was news. What was that? What was that? Does someone... That was crazy. Did you guys see that? You see that? We were at the 270s and it just snapped up to the 290s. Oh, what was that? That was nuts. Hey, Volker, good morning. Ace Undercover, good morning. Diego, RTY is better. I see. Hey, good morning, M. Susan. Oh, now it will come down. It might. I'm trying to jinx it, M. Susan. Like, I'm purposely trying to jinx the market so it goes lower. But the only time it goes lower is when I go in long. If I enter my trade long, then it'll go lower. Until then, nope. I'll only go higher. Collecting liquidity with that snap. I don't know. We'll just keep going higher, man. We just keep going up. Uppity, uppity, uppity. Oh, well, we officially have 44 funded accounts. Man, I'm not sure that's real. Actually, no, guys. We have 49 funded accounts. Because we've got 44 accounts. I mean, that we passed the funded next accounts. We've got 44 of those, and we have 5 Topstep accounts. We have 49 accounts. Okay, I have to go get another account somewhere because we got to get to an even 50. It's just the law. There's a rule somewhere. We have to do that. This is mostly NVIDIA. Okay, I see. Kellyanne has 55 accounts. Oh, really? Actually, I do think she does. She has 50. Okay, guys, we need 56 then. Okay, so we've got 49. What other accounts could we get? I'm not sure I can get more. See how I can... I need to do a different layout, actually. I might need to remove my... No, see, that's the problem. I can't... I need to check something out. I just realized something. You know what I might start doing, guys? Guys, would you think it would be anything wrong? Would there be anything wrong with my P&L only showing this? Like if I would just show my totals on my P&L instead of this. I might have to start doing that. Because here's why. If I do start trading gold, I kind of want to have the gold chart just smaller, right to the right on my display, because I need to be able to see and watch gold all the time if I am going to trade gold. I do, Tanush. I do actually. It's like connection lost and then it gets reconnected right away. Yeah, I have had that a lot. So, but yeah, I'm not going to do it right now. I'll wait till I'll probably wait till next week or so. Change the red to yellow and put gold on another screen. Hey, good morning, Trader's Chick. Good to see you. We need it. Good idea. But I could, yeah, I feel like that would be a good option. just just screenshot your P&L, Matt. Oh, I mean Nutty. I hear you. I hear you, man. That was a good one. Does anybody have an opinion about Starlink and trading? Fred Yeager. I actually used Starlink to stream and trade for, I mean, it was probably 2 years. And if we're being completely honest, guys, my Starlink connection was more reliable than my internet connection I have right now, which is fiber. I had less issues when I was using Starlink than I have now. And I think all of chat can say amen to that. Whoa, market. Okay, the joke's over. The joke's over, market. Stop it. Stop. There's just no shot this keeps doing this. You gotta be kidding me. It just doesn't stop. It's crazy, man. How will the internet be in Florida? I guess we'll find out, Trade Ranger. I do have fiber. I do have fiber internet in Florida. The speeds are great, but until we actually are there for a month, you know, I don't know. I really don't know. Starlink and a large battery pack solar charge. Yep. There's no way I'm going long. I mean, I have to go long. That's the problem. I feel like I'm being held hostage. Like somebody's got a gun on me. When my setup happens to go long, come on, Nutty, you have to go long. Because I'm like, nope, I ain't doing it. I have to. I don't have a choice. Green Otter, I have fiber and it's good except the one storm and power cycle, probably just electric. Okay, I see. I see. But yeah, it's so weird, Tanush, the disconnect and reconnect. I've been trying to figure out like which prop firm it's from. I don't know. I don't know if it's just a bug and it randomly does it, but it's like disconnected and then reconnected like right away. And I don't even notice that I'm not connected. Weird. Yeah, market can only go up. Facts. It's probably Apex. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I guess I could. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's more just annoying. So far, it doesn't actually disconnect. It just gives the audible for it. The only accounts that I still want, I was trying to debate this the other day just because I mean, I'm very happy with where we're at on the accounts I have. But man, I am having a difficult time. Like, okay, and this is actually a good thing. I know it's a good thing where it's like in the afternoon sessions, like I'll be locked out of my Topstep accounts maybe, and I'll be done trading my Apex, not my Apex, but my funded accounts. And I'm just like, man, I get bored. I get bored. And I'm like, oh, what other evals could I get? It's probably not a good thing, but the only accounts I still want that I don't currently have is Trade Day. I could try to pass some more Trade Day accounts, but not more, but look at this. This is insane. This is crazy, crazy, crazy. Router and everything connected to the UPS. Yes, I have a backup power system that everything is backed up to now, and I plan to do that as well for Florida. That way, if the power blinks, it doesn't disconnect my internet. I mean, this is insanity. I actually don't believe it. I really thought we'd see a pullback ahead of. I really thought we would see a pullback ahead of FOMC, but I don't know, man. This is hard to trade. It just makes you say, almighty. Yeah, almighty. I hear you. I don't think it actually is disconnect. It's almost like it's a bug. I think it's more a bug than anything. You want to hear something crazy? I'm going to make a prediction for what it's worth. I think this current rally takes us to 26,600 before we have a nice pullback. I mean, honestly, Ace Undercover, that's not that crazy. Honestly, this sounds crazy, but I'm not joking. We actually could see the 27,000s this week. I passed 3 trade day evals a month ago, took accounts to a payout of 7,200 totals, got caught in volatility with the remaining 2K balance and blew the account. Hey, and then trade day banned you? What? What? What do you mean they banned you? Oh, they just, I know that they ban you for like reckless trading, they call it, or something, right? Interesting. Well, I would love to get banned if I take out 20, 30,000 first. Let me take out 30,000 first, and then they can ban me. I don't care. Whoa, big pullback here. Oh, everybody hold on. We might get a setup, and I'm going to be scared. I'm going to be scared, but we're going to take the trade. We need to pull back into this like 290s is what we're going to need. I'm just going to take my setup. I just cannot. I will take the setup, and whatever happens, happens. That is actually probably the thing I like the most about this 30 trade challenge. I feel way less pressure, or how would I say it? Like, it's so much easier. I don't know. It's something mentally about it where if I'm just looking for a very specific setup, I'm looking for this setup, and if it happens, I take the trade. If it doesn't happen, I don't take the trade, and then I don't overthink it. And we might be we're getting close here, boys. This is a big pullback, though. Big pullback, but we could get a setup here. I'm hoping we consolidate a little bit here, because right now my entry would be all the way up here, and I'm not a huge fan of that. It's time to pay attention. Yeah, we are dumping. Now I either want this to keep dumping or let's keep like make the move and then let's go higher. But just please don't do one of those fake moves higher and then dump it. Because that's always where I get a little bit in trouble. Yeah, we did. I mean, as long as we stay above this like 265 area, I think we can probably still look at taking a trade here, but this is where I hate entering. Like, if this rips higher, my entry is technically right here. That is what I don't like. Do not like that type of entry. And I might need to scale down. I just kind of hope we don't go up here. So then I'm going to have to make a decision. It's looking like we want to keep going lower here. If this candle can close, like my entry, I would love my entry right here above the 295s. That I don't mind at all. All right, we might. Now we just wait and see if we get entered. If we drop down below this 265 area, then I feel like the trend is kind of violated. And then I don't think we get a setup. I think we got to wait. But right now our entry is at the 295s. But it looks like we're going lower. We might. I don't think we're getting filled. Last two games we went higher from the opening range. Yeah, I know, John. I kept thinking every single day. I keep thinking, okay, today's the day we're going to see a nice retracement. Like, I'm not calling for a market crash or anything. I'm just calling for a little pullback. Like, is that's not that crazy, is it? Man, this is going to be a very tricky decision here. But I feel like as long as, I'm going to draw this just so I can visually keep seeing it. But like right there is kind of what I look at as far as the trend. If we start breaking below this, then no entries. Okay, we're going to have to. This makes me. If we get filled, we get filled, I guess. Man, I actually makes me nervous, but we'll see. Oh dear, are we getting filled here? This is one of those times where I'm not sure I want to get filled. Oh, somebody hold my hand. Because we're almost, man, this stop loss is not great. And now we're back down. All right. I think we get. Jeez, this is insane. I don't know, man. See, this one, man, I don't know. I almost like the entry better right here. This is let's see. We might get filled here. And there she is. Rip it. I'm trying to debate if I want to. Yeah, I like my target there. Rip it. Thank you. Gotta break above this. We gotta go right here, right now. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Just keep ripping right here. I'm not moving my stop. I'm not moving my stop. It is either going to hit the target or my stop. I'm not moving it. I'll be back. I'm going to go for a walk. We're back. All right, let's see. This might be a frustrating trade, but I'm gonna stick with it. I'm okay getting stopped out here. If we get stopped, so be it. As soon as I get short, I get stomach cramps. I get same, but it's the same way for me. As soon as I get long, I'm like, as soon as I get long, I need to use the restroom. Did I wash my hands? I actually just went on a walk, but I think I need to use the restroom now. The more you guys talk about it, the more I have to go. It missed you by 2 points, Almighty. Oh, it literally tickled the 300s. It tickled it. And I don't like that we pull back from that, but I'm gonna give it room to work. I'm gonna use the restroom though. I'll be back. Hey, we're back. This is going to be torture, isn't it? Torture session. Market, can you just go higher like you've done every single day this week? Is that too much to ask? Feel like I could move my stop right here now, kind of follow this trend line up. I don't hate that. I'm okay with that. Oh, it's gonna be a long day. Can you please make a video on the 30-day challenge? Also discuss the risk management for that challenge. Yeah, I am, Susan. I can try. I'll go over it. I'll go over it best I know how. Yeah. My risk management, though, is pretty much, I mean, it kind of depends per trade. It varies. It varies a little bit. No, Almighty. You again got tickled. The 300s got tickled again. We just can't seem to get through it. Come on, market. Now push. Ribbit. Ribbit. Come on. Rip it. What trade copier do I use? I use Replicanto. I use Replicanto. This is what it looks like. Well, I don't want to show that. This is what it looks like. All these accounts copy trading. Hey, no issues so far. Knock on wood. Pump it. Rip it. Do it. Do you guys remember that game? Pop it. Rip it. Pull it. That's what makes me think of that. Pull it. Pull it. Rip it. Pop it. Twist it. Oh, man, I remember that game growing up. We used to have that game. Snap it. Yes, snap it. Snap it. Rip it. Pop it. Twist it. Flip it. Oh, I hate that game. Pass it. Yes. Yes, and then you pass it. Too good. Too good. All right, market. Just go. Stop being difficult. Rip it. Come on, market. Don't tease me again. Rip it. Come on. We really need to break above the 300s right here. Please do it. Oh, wow. Tradeify. Tradeify is doing a 45% off on direct to funded accounts. Wow. That's the really good deal on Tradeify. 45% off. 45% off on 25, 50, and 100K accounts on Lightning funded accounts. That is very good. That's a really good deal. Code NBT, obviously, if you want to support the channel. Rip it! Hey, did you get it, Almighty? Did you get your target? Please tell. Yeah, you should have got your target. Come on. Come on, market. Please just keep going. Can we just keep going, please? I'm gonna have to take a lot. I'm gonna have to take a lot of walks to let this target hit. I do think I'm gonna just kind of trail my stop loss with the 21 EMA on the 5 minute. Like right here. Rip it! Come on! Go! Oh, this is so... Yeah, it's so... This is where I have a hard time. Like, usually, if I wasn't streaming, I would not be in front of my computer. Because it's so hard. Actually, I'm just going to work on some things. Rip it! Come on, go! I can't watch this. Can we please keep going? Rip it. Come on, market. Just keep going. Oh, man. Oh, this is... Why is it so hard to stay in it? Why is it so hard to stay in a trade? Like, someone needs to do some research and let me know. Rip it! Why is it so hard to stay in a trade? At least it is for me. The level of pain I experience when we get a pullback is excruciating. I feel like I should probably move my stop to like right here. We'll just move our stop to break even. Probably the smart move here. Come on, please don't do this. Don't be like this, market. Don't be like this every time. Hate when it does this. Have you read The Best Loser Wins? Yes, I have, Tanush. I definitely have. It's just so weird. Come on, market. Rip it. Go. Go. Rip it. All right, I'm going to walk. I'm going to go outside and just walk around a little bit again, okay? I'll be back, I promise. Well, I guess that's that. Just couldn't get a move going, man. Oh well, it is what it is. All right, let's screenshot this one. Trade number 15 of 30. We are halfway there to the 30. We're halfway there on the 30 trade challenge. But hey, if we look on the bright side, it's better than a loss. It is better than a loss. Are we actually going to get a pullback into FOMC? What is the performance so far on the 30 of 15? I got to run the numbers, M. Susan. I haven't actually run the numbers yet. I will do that once we are at the end of it. All right. We did everything right, though. We had the right setup. Oh, wow. We are really pulling back. We're below the VWAP fish. Okay. Okay. We might get a short setup, guys. We might get a short setup here. Wouldn't that be something? If I get Tradeify accounts, will I be able to connect and trade them with my Apex accounts on? Yes, Michael. That is what. Yes, you will. Is this thing just gonna rip straight back up? That's crazy. Wow, look at that. Look at that crazy move now. That is what is so, I mean, it is so insane. Like, unbelievable. I know. It's just, it's like, at some point, you just gotta give up, man. It's like, what? It's just crazy. I mean, okay, I am like by default, I am bullish. By default, I always want to go long. But even this, even for bulls, this is like insane. Like that, it's just that is crazy. And it really makes you question how much longer that this is is this reasonable? Feel like it isn't. But what do I know, man? This only says it's FOMC day, don't trade. Very true, consistent trader. Yeah, Niles. It is like, I mean, I hate to be the guy and say, that the market is unreasonable, but man, it sure is unreasonable lately. It makes me think though, FOMC, FOMC has got to be like, I feel like we're going to see something crazy, but I don't know. See, I feel like everybody is thinking that FOMC is going to come out and we're going to drop. But if that is usually how everyone is thinking, imagine if we go higher. Or imagine if we see a little bit of a drop in the beginning, but then we just go higher. The shorts are going to get squeezed like never before. But I don't trust it. I don't trust it either way. All right. Let's see if we drop now. We tried to do that little ripper higher, now pulling back again. I kind of want a short setup, to be honest. If I'm being completely, I would love to take a short trade. That's probably not smart. We're a long way from getting a short setup, but I could see it happening. I could see this happening. All right, let's see if we can get a breakdown below the 245s, maybe. What does it need to happen? And Eljo, so basically we need to stay below the VWAP as the first. That's the first thing that needs to happen. And then we need to see a pullback into the 21 EMAs, the light blue or the dark blue line, and test that, and then reject off of it, continue the trend lower. Then we will take a short. But the first step has happened. We're below the VWAP here. Let's see if we make a move here or not. Hey, Pine Tree in the house. Pine Tree, are you going to give Kellyanne a run for her money? Full port tomorrow. Are you going to full port? No, wait. You can't trade the FOMC, right? But you can trade right after. Did you have to pay for the VWAP indicator, David Knight? I guess yes, technically. I have the additional cost for NinjaTrader for the VWAP. I don't know. I think it's called the order flow. It's like a subscription for it. You can't trade news, but like what time, Pine Tree? What time? Hey, Mr. Push Up, how we doing? Things that go up, overextended, come back down to the middle, retest the highs, but can't go higher. That's the next pullback that's going to happen. I don't disagree. I do not disagree with that. And I kind of think the fact that we could not get back above the 300s, I mean, it makes me want to think we're going to get a bigger pullback. But man, every time I think it's literally just, we just go straight back up. It's insane. John is always a winner. That's right. Oh, I love it. Come on, look at that. Now we're just, if we trade back up into this 280, 290 level, I don't know, we might have to call it a day. This is just going to be some trash price action until FOMC. I kind of thought that might happen, but sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes FOMC, before FOMC, you will get a very nice clean move, but it doesn't appear like that's going to happen here. We'll hang around and see. He was telling that you had a mod only race and I came in 8 out of 8. Yeah. Yeah, John, that's what I'm thinking. It's about time to go mow the lawn. I've got Kevin right now. I've got Kevin doing some manual labor. He's picking up all the big twigs and sticks. There's a lot of sticks that fell. It was kind of windy the last couple days, so I put him to work. Once he's done with that, I'm ready to mow. Let's see. Let's see what happens. But if we come back up into this 285, 290, I I think this is gonna be bad. All right, maybe we get this pullback now. She's trying to go lower. Trying to go lower. You don't think it'll go lower, Mr. Push Up? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's so hard. I have no idea. Okay, can we get down below that 250? I mean, we really need to get below the 245s. All right, here we go. Let's see. Man, this is... I'm going to try to hang around here a little bit just to see if we don't get it set up. His wife has 3. Nutty Bar has the other 2. Yes, I have 2 boys. Truer words have never been spoken, John. My wife would be in total agreement. Yeah, Trader Kevin B. I don't know. I just don't think... Probably shouldn't be trading this, to be honest. By the way, guys, for those of you that love golf, and love YouTube golf content, whatever, I assume, did you guys watch the Internet Invitational that came out yesterday? That Internet Invitational, if you haven't and you enjoy golf content, you gotta watch it. Oh, you got to watch it, man. That was wild. Luke Kwan. I mean, what are we doing, boys? What are we doing? The guy, like $1.7 million in prize money, and the guy oversleeps his tee time, doesn't even show up. And then he shows up and just trolls people. Oh, man, it's crazy. Craziness. But it was some great content. It was some great content. The next video comes out today, if I'm not wrong, and should be fun. All right, market. Now we're going lower. Let's see. Can we just get a rip lower here, down through the 245s? I don't know if you talked about the issue between Topstep and PWRA. Do you mind sharing your thoughts on that? Yeah, Diego. I mean, the lawsuit between Patrick and Topstep is, I mean, it's unfortunate, but basically Topstep is butthurt. The part that I don't like about it is, okay, I mean, obviously there's two sides to it, but obviously Pat signed a disclosure that basically agreed that he wouldn't talk bad about Topstep. Like that's what he signed. And Topstep feels like he violated that. I guess the courts will decide. But the part that I really had issue with is when the lawsuit first came out, Topstep tried to spin it and leaked the lawsuit, and they tried to spin it like they basically paid Patrick hush money. That is how they tried to present it. Okay, they tried to present it like, hey, we paid Patrick $280,000 and in agreement to not talk bad about Topstep or Michael Patak. Well, in reality, that was actually money that was owed to Patrick from his commissions for the year, not the year, but basically that was commissions that was owed to him by Topstep. Patrick was trying to get paid basically what was owed to him, And then they basically made him, I mean, they didn't make him, you can't force someone to sign something, obviously, but they basically said, hey, if you're willing to sign this agreement, we'll pay you that amount that we owe you. Now, obviously, I think it was a bad deal to sign because it was obviously to Topstep's favor, and it heavily, it was basically, hey, we'll give you the money that we owe you, but you can't talk bad about us. Now, did Patrick talk bad about Topstep? I'll let you guys be the judge of that, and the courts will decide. But that was what was signed, and I did not like how I felt like it was unfair how Topstep tried to spin it and present it like they just paid him hush money when it wasn't. That's not what it was. It was literally money that was owed to him. And I'm sure probably now Patrick wishes he would not have signed it. But, it is what it is. That's my 2 cents on it. MP got his feelings hurt. Oh, yeah. I mean, you guys, nobody knows this. Nobody knows this yet. But, yeah. Topstep actually named me in the lawsuit as well. Supposedly, I haven't actually seen it, but according to what was shared by me, Topstep named me as basically they want to see all my text messages with Patrick because they think like they want to get as many instances of him talking bad about Topstep and Michael Batak as they can get. And they think he did it via text messages and stuff like that. I don't know if they're going to get that information, but it's pretty wild. I mean, they're pretty serious about it. Yeah, I'm a co-conspirator. You know what's really funny? We didn't even talk bad about Topstep in our text. I mean, we made fun of some things, but nothing crazy, nothing that violates it, in my opinion, anyway. But they're not coming after me. It's just indirectly. Indirectly, I'm kind of involved because they're trying to subpoena and get all the data they can. And it's kind of wild. It's kind of wild, man. Yeah, they sent subpoenas to My Fund of Futures, Ninja Trader, Trader. Yeah, yep. They're basically they want to see all the information, and I don't know. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. That's how it be some days. I was friends with him, and he's okay as long as you go with what he says. If you pose him or call him out, well, yeah, he's got a huge ego. People with big egos do not like to be challenged. And then if you give someone that has a huge ego and you give them a lot of money and power, then is when you will see some that's what Michael Batak is right now. And and now he's fighting with Patrick, which also has a big ego and, probably not as much money, but I don't know. It's going to be a slugfest. It's not going to be pretty. And it's kind of crazy because it sounds like Topstep is not interested in settling, which is kind of wild, but hopefully it gets resolved. Yeah, I mean, I keep watching because I kind of hope I get a good short setup here, but at the same time, I'm not sure how good of an idea that is. I'm waiting for another firm to steal Dakota from Topstep. Pretty sure, I'm pretty sure if you look closely enough, Michael Batak and Dakotas are probably married. I think. I cannot confirm that, but it seems like they're married. They're joined at the hip. Yeah, I like D-Money. I enjoy D-Money. D-Money's... I might get to meet D-Money. I'm actually Ginger. Ginger sent me an email this morning wanting to get some dates for when I visit the BDH this year. But I want to wait till we gotta somehow plan out when Alpine can come, because I want to go golfing with Alpine, and I got to figure out, like, how are we going to do this? If Patrick starts crashing out, if he starts crashing out, I might need to go to the BDH just to calm everything down. Careful, don't want to get sued. Exactly. That's why I said supposedly. It is not confirmed. It is not confirmed. Oh my, look at this. See, okay, we actually have to look at... Oh dear. See, now that the trade setup is kind of here, I'm scared to take it. Oh man. He actually, there are several lawsuits against him. I don't know. Not that I know of. Does Alpine trade with Topstep? I think he has. I'm not sure that he's trading with him right now. I don't think so. Oh, let's see if my payout is updated. Hey, another one. I don't know why it's taking so long. See how now this one says finance processing. So now we have these two finalized, but we still need these three finalized before we can... It's kind of weird. Taking a lot longer to get approved than usual. Not sure. Yeah, I'm sure it's fine. It's going to be interesting. I'm actually very interested to see my payout stats, or basically my expenses versus payouts for the month of October. Honestly, this payout, which is going to be close to 19,800, I might still be red on the month. Honestly, I have a lot of expenses that I need to put in. I'm just going to wait and do it all at the end of November or end of October. I'm just going to wait. They sent mine for a complete payout last time around 1:30 p.m. once finance was done processing. Nice. Nice, Golf Guy Mike. I'm getting my first payout ever on a prop firm account. It's on 2 of the new Tick Trader. Okay, awesome. Do you know how long it takes to get a payment from them? I don't. I have no idea. I've never gotten a payout from Tick, so I don't know. But congratulations. That's awesome. Apex dashboard has an area asking about my trade strategy. Is that mandatory to fill out? Captain Jim, I don't think it's no. Unless they specifically ask you, then no. Look at that. And we're right back above the VWAP. Man, I give up. And now I can't. I give up, man. Ugh. This is okay. Real talk. See, this is the part of doing the 30 trade challenge that is actually valuable. I've been wanting to go short kind of all day, and depending, like if I would have tried to go short on some of these moves, like I could have gotten whipsawed a couple times, and I feel like it definitely keeps me out of some trouble. It definitely keeps me out of trouble. We just need to string together some good trades. One thing that I'm going to evaluate when, once these 30 trades are over, the one thing that I really am going to evaluate, and I don't know if this is, probably need more data. The one thing, and I've always struggled with this, and I've talked about it in the past, and that is having two targets. I'm going to see, once I'm done with these 30 trades, and we're going to see what my P&L would have been if I would just take my full profit at my first target and that's it. And just no runners at all. I want to track that data, and like if I need to adjust that, I will. But it is definitely something that needs to be tracked. 30 trades or Tory trades. Did I stutter? I said 30 trades. I took a long of the 250s with a stop in profit. Okay, let's go, Hart. Nice. Market only goes higher, folks. This is true. This is true. All right, see. Man, I could. Maybe take my $200 and be happy. Yeah, John, honestly, $200. I would take $200 right now per account. I would take that. I'd be running. Only one account? Hey, that's fine, John. Nothing wrong with that. See, right here, this short, man. See, this. Man, I'm taking this. I mean, this is honestly a little bit of a borderline trade. I'll be the first to admit it. The only reason it's borderline on the trade is, I mean, we are below the VWAP, but taking trades right at VWAP is like, I want to have I like to have the actual candle, like a full close, not a close, but like the well below the actual VWAP. But that's why this is a little bit on the questionable side of it. But at the same time, I do really like the setup. I'm going to take now. I'm going to try to get this thing to dump. I'm going to try. Dump it! One time, market. Trump, get out your tweet. I need you, Trump. Big dump here. 50-pointer. Come on. Right now, the biggest issue is if we don't get it, I am going to put my stop at break even. I am not going to get whipsawed by this stupid market. Come on, market. Rip it. Dump it, I mean. Dump it. I said the wrong words. Dump it, market. Dump it. Come on. Give me new lows. Give me new lows. Do it. Do it. Do it. Please. Okay. I need to walk away. I'll be back. Well, actually, no, I can't walk away. I can't walk away from this one. Because if we do make new lows, I need to move my stop. Dump, dump, dump. Come on, market. Please. Do it for the one time. Give it to me. Man, I feel like I'm having second thoughts. I'm not going to talk. I'm not going to talk. I'm not going to say a word. Okay? We're just going to let this thing go. I'm leaving. I'll be back. Hello, we're back. Don't look at the charts, guys. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. If you look at it, it's gonna do something. Oh, I need to close the trade. Hey, if it hits my stop, I'll close it, which it might. I'm going to get a little bit upset, but it is what it is. One time, can we just get a follow? Can we just get a follow through on an account, on a trade? Like one time. One time, just rip it lower and keep going. It's insane. If I'm not in a trade, if I don't take this trade, you know this thing's just going to keep going lower. Dump it. Oh yeah, we're going to get, our trailing stop's going to get hit here, 100%. There's no chance this goes lower. No shot. How much money was I up? Tell me, guys. Tell me. How much money was I up at the bottom? Go ahead and tell me. Actually, you know what? I need to take profit at the 20s. I think that's smart. Can you get out of it so it can run lower, please? I was up millions. You know, you're right. I don't want to know. I hate this. I hate this. This is why I need to be away from my desk. I can't watch this because I want to close this trade so bad. Oh, I want to trade. I want to close this trade so bad, but I'm not going to allow myself to do it. I'm not doing it. We are holding. If we get stopped out, that's fine, but I'm holding. We will continue to trail. If we make new lows here, I'll trail. It is why I've been trading gold more recently. Price action on these, like, yeah, it is, Harks. It is. Oh, of course. Now it's going to rip. One time, just hit my target. One time. One time, just go and hit my target. Please. Can't do it. I just can't do it. Yeah, we're getting stopped. It's going to happen. Just accept it. Just accept it. Dump! Come on, market. Dump it. Garbage can. You trash can. Dump it. Give me new lows, please. I promise I'll take profit if you give me new lows. I promise. I thought you said this trading strategy was not stressful. Well, about that, it's not stressful until I'm in a trade. Oh, man. Whoops. Okay, my finger slipped. My finger slipped. I promise. My finger slipped. I accidentally took profit. We are now going to go to new lows, guys. This is not financial advice, but if there was ever a time where the market is about to drop 50 points, it's going to be now. It's going to be right now. If there's ever been a time, it's going to happen right now, because now I'm going to have to give myself a bad grade just because we took that profit. See? I told you guys. It's going to rip lower. It's going to dump. This is going to dump probably 50 points straight down now. Watch. It's going to do it. It was a finger slipperer. It was a finger slipperer. Not on purpose. I promise. Promise it wasn't on purpose. I might be crossing my fingers or toes. Please, I want this to go higher right now. Actually, I don't. I don't care. I saw the green. I saw all the green on my chart, and I just couldn't help it. I couldn't help myself. New lows. Here we go. You know we're dumping right here. If we go through the 30s, this is going to go to the 20s like in a blink of an eye. You know it. I made a sound decision. I'm okay getting a bad grade. I'm okay getting a B+. That's punishment. I'm fine with that punishment. I'm fine with it. All right, I need to take a screenshot of this. Don't talk to me, guys. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Okay? I don't want to hear it. It was a misclick. My finger slipped. Don't talk to me. I don't want to see it. I'm fine. It's fine. Everything's fine here. Nothing to see. Yep, take profit would have been hit. I knew it. I gave you guys 10 points right there. That was like a 99.9% sure thing. Like, I don't give financial advice, but if there was ever a time to give financial advice with 100% certainty, it was right then that we are going to hit the 220s. You just knew it was happening. You just knew it. Like, well, I'm not shocked. Nobody here is shocked. Nobody's surprised. But it is what it is. Wow. $63, $33, $30. Let's see, hang on. Okay. All right. This is how this is currently how it looks today on our trade setups. Wait. That is not the right chart. Okay, here we go. First trade entry, stop loss hit, A+ grade, 100%. We were good. How do I? Next trade was this one. Long trade, first target hit, trailing stop loss hit. Great one is A+. This was this trade. It was actually a good trade, but we definitely didn't trail our second target, so we get a B+ on that one. 3 trades on the day. Still not terrible. Actually, you know what? We're green on the day. Honestly, we'll take that. We'll take that. Oh, yeah, NQ is crazy. Yeah, see, this now makes me want to stop trading. Yeah, I feel like I kind of stole one there for just a little bit. Feel like we might have stole one right there. I mean, we did basically, where did I take profit? I took profit at the 35s. My target was the 20s, so 15 points. That's 60. So basically, we should be up $130 per account. You know, we left about $4,000 on the table by not following our plan. But it is what it is. It's still green. Green is green. Oh man, that was nerve-wracking though. I don't know why it's so hard to hold a winning trade. Like it is the hardest thing for me. Like I just want to see green and I want to take profit and run. But and sometimes that's okay. I feel like sometimes that's the right thing to do, but definitely not always. But man, why are my funded future accounts? What is going on with this? I had some bad fills, I guess. My Apex accounts are literally $20 more. I wonder, does my funded future have a really bad commissions on their micros? Must be. Oh no. Okay, never mind. Take profit. Yeah, it's crazy. I might have got some bad fills, I guess. Oh, you're right. I don't have the clock. Oh, sorry. I hate when I forget the clock. Hang on. All right, guys. I think I'm going to call it. I am going to call it here. And I'm actually going to lock out. I am going to just be done with it. And consider it a pretty good day. Honestly, it's kind of a break-even day, but all things considered, we'll take it. We'll take it. So, all right, guys, I am going to call it here. And I'm not sure I don't think I'm going to be able to stream tomorrow. There is like a small chance that I can for maybe an hour and a half. But we are going to be loading up and we're going to be traveling starting tomorrow to Florida. I'll be getting down in Florida, Lord willing, Friday, hopefully getting stream everything set up Saturday. And then hopefully we will be live and streaming from Florida on Monday. So hopefully, if everything goes well, I'll keep you guys informed. Man, look at that dump. I mean, this is where, you know, you technically could have another setup right here, but I'm good. I'm calling it. I feel worn out. I'm worn out. All right, thank you, Matthew, Frank Mortimer, Jake Dell. Thank you, appreciate it, and we will see you guys. Maybe we'll see you guys from Florida, possibly. Oh man, that's crazy. All right, everybody, I appreciate it. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. Appreciate you guys. Take care and God bless.